Hey guys, this is Fundo on Phakade. Tonight on Imbewu, Makosazana and MaZulu try to warn Nirupe that she is dangerous with Menzi. An astrologer tells Vanya that she will soon meet the man of her dreams. Menzi tells Nirupe that he hijacked trucks and Menzi wants Nirupe to do anything she wants. It's either she call police and he will not blame him. But Nirupe gave Menzi advice. She said that Menzi must clean up any tracks of involvement. Nkululeko visit Phakade for requesting him to help. Nkululeko seems regret for his mistake. Do you think Phakade will help Nkululeko in his problems with his ancestor? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.